Hey there guys, Zach here from WinBeta, and welcome back to another video. Now today we're taking a look at Windows 10 build 10,114. This build includes a number of features and enhancements over the last public preview build, which was 10,074. This is also, as recording this, an unreleased and unleaked build, and I do not believe this build will be given to insiders officially, as it is a WinMain_PRS build. Now that's out of the way, let's dive into the new changes, and the first noteworthy changes in this build are in the start menu. As you can see, this start menu is just like the one shown off at Build and at Microsoft Ignite. Down here you get your File Explorer and Settings buttons above the Power buttons. They've moved from the top up here, and you no longer have a full screen button in the top right hand corner. You can still make the start menu full screen just by going into the Personalization tab, as you'll find a new start area, and this start area allows you to customize your start menu, so you can occasionally show app and content suggestions in the start menu, store and display recently opened programs in start, and show the recently added apps groups. Furthermore, you can also change start behaviors, such as using full screen start, and store and display recently opened items in start and the taskbar. So if we turn on the full screen start, you'll see that the start menu acts like it's a full screen Windows 8 start screen. The tiles are also bigger, which is fairly nice, easier to use with a finger. And your apps list gets put in a hamburger menu, so if you want access to your all apps, you can absolutely do so just by going there. Great for tablet users and great for those on small displays. Now, if we come out to the home area of the settings app, you can see here that the devices icon has been updated, which is fairly nice. And if we go into where a slider is, the slider thing has also changed slightly too. Now, if we move into the Windows Insider app, you'll see that the Insider app has been given a great big UI update. It now looks a lot better than before. It's now incorporating a hamburger menu, which allows access to announcements, alerts, and your profile. You get your most recent quests here, so if you click on more here, we can do the quest and get your request complete. Then you obviously get Windows feedback asking you if that feature is very useful, and so on. If we go back here, let's go back to the home bit. On the right, you get your profile at a glance. You get your name, your profile picture, and how long you've been an insider, the build you're currently running, your insider activity, and your feedback activity. Below that, you get your announcements, and below that, you get your quick links, such as frequently asked questions and more. Announcements are here, and they work much like you would expect. Known issues are now tagged as such, and if we go into alerts, the alerts will come up here. However, as you can see, there are no alerts on this build. Moving on to your own profile, this is what your profile looks like using the same color as your system. You can see your achievements, Windows feedback, quests, system activity, and if you click on these links up here, you can also get those access there. Now, the dark theme has also been improved in this build as well. Take note of the things like the volume rocker and these apps. And as you can see here, they are now in dark mode, and dark mode looks pretty cool. It's still not working properly, but it does look a lot better. So as you can see up here on the calculator and alarms apps, the title bar is still white, even though the apps are dark. However, in the settings app, you can see the title bar is using the correct color and is now dark, much like the rest of the UI. There's still some tweaks to be made to the coloring of the title bars. As you can see up here, the settings text is black when it should be white now, but as you can see, it's starting to look good, which is what we've been waiting for. Now, like I said, there's still some areas of the operating system which need to be updated for this dark UI, such as Cortana, which as you see here is still using the light theme, but that will be done in future builds. So that's about it for this video, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye bye.